In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the front bumper on a Toyota Land Cruiser 100 step by step. This job is actually very simple and doesn't take much time, but I highly recommend watching the entire video before you start. That way, you won't miss any important details, hidden bolts, or small steps that can make the removal process much easier. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open the hood and remove the front grille. The reason is simple. There are several mounting bolts hidden behind the grille that secure the front bumper in place. Start by removing the fasteners on the left side. In my case, the grille is held in place with screws instead of plastic clips, so I'll be removing those first. Once the grille is out of the way, we have full access to the bumper mounting points. Now look at the center section. Here you'll find three 10mm bolts. Remove all three of them before moving on to the next step. Next, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left or right, depending on which side you're working on. This gives you enough room to access the inner fender liner. Open or pull back the fender liner. In my vehicle, it's secured with screws, so I'll remove those first. Behind the liner, you'll find another 10mm bolt that holds the bumper to the fender. Remove this bolt carefully. Then, repeat exactly the same procedure on the opposite side of the vehicle. Before removing the bumper completely, don't forget to disconnect the electrical connectors for the fog lights. This is a very important step because pulling the bumper off without disconnecting the wiring could damage the connectors or the harness. Once all the bolts have been removed and the fog light connectors are unplugged, the front bumper is completely free. You can now carefully pull it forward and remove it from the vehicle. If this video helps you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more Toyota Land Cruiser 100 repair and disassembly tutorials. Thanks for watching, and let's get started.